In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add meta tags to the WordPress head step by step, using a safe and beginner-friendly method that does not require touching your theme files. Meta tags are extremely important for SEO, site verification, analytics tools, and third-party integrations, and knowing how to properly add them to your WordPress head section can save you a lot of headaches down the road. This method works on most WordPress hosting setups and is especially useful if you want a clean solution that won't break when you update your theme. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future WordPress and website tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. To get started, the first thing you want to do is log into your hosting dashboard. In this example, we're using a managed hosting environment, but the steps are very similar no matter which host you're on. From your hosting dashboard, locate your WordPress site and open it in the development or admin environment so you can access the WordPress backend safely. Next, go directly to your WordPress admin area by navigating to your site.com/wp-admin. Once you're logged in, you'll be inside the WordPress dashboard, where all plugins, themes, and settings are managed. From here, we're going to install a plugin that makes adding code to the WordPress head incredibly easy. On the left-hand menu, click on Plugins, then select Add New. In the search bar, type WPCode. This plugin is also known as Insert Headers and Footers, and it's one of the most reliable ways to add custom code without editing theme files. Once you see WPCode appear in the results, click Install, and after installation finishes, click Activate. After activating the plugin, head back to your plugins page and make sure WPCode is listed as active. Once confirmed, look at the left-hand menu again and click on Code Snippets, then select Header and Footer from the submenu. This section is specifically designed for adding scripts, meta tags, and verification codes to your site. Now that you're on the Header and Footer settings page, navigate to the Header section. This is where WordPress outputs code inside the head tag of your website. Anything you paste here will load on every page of your site, which is exactly what we want for meta tags. At this point, you can paste your meta tags directly into the header box. This could include meta description tags, viewport tags, Google Search Console verification tags, Facebook domain verification, or any other custom meta tags required for SEO or integrations. Once you've added your meta tags, scroll down and click Save Changes. WordPress will now automatically inject those meta tags into the head section of your site across all pages. To confirm everything worked correctly, you can open your website in a new browser tab, right-click anywhere on the page, select View Page Source, and search for your meta tag to make sure it appears correctly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add meta tags to the WordPress head without editing theme files or risking future updates overriding your changes. This method is safe, fast, and perfect for beginners as well as advanced users managing multiple sites. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more WordPress tutorials, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to see another guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.